it do? What is up, my supreme team? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been so long since I posted. I know you guys are gonna be like, oh my god, it's been like 3 months. Where have you been? Well, not 3 months, 2 months, but I know I've been gone for so long, but I just wanted to let you guys know I am back and I am better. I am back and I'm ready to grind. I'm ready to bust out these good content videos. I'm ready for you guys to see all the good content that I'm about to post, all the different types of videos and different types of things that you have never seen on my channel before. I'm ready to bring it to you guys and show you what my channel really about and how we get it crackin' over here. But first, for anybody who's just now seeing my video, hey, what's up? It's your girl Adriana and welcome to my channel. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you're new, or if you're returning and have not already hit that subscribe button, hit that subscribe button down below to become part of the supreme team. And without further ado, let's jump on right back to the video. Now, I know some of you guys probably don't know what's going on, but for those of you who guys have been keeping up with me, I've been gone for about 2 months off of YouTube, and I had to take a break because, you know, I had to get my personal life and my school life together and situated. But I just want to let you guys know that I am back and I'm better than ever. I'm coming back and I'm coming stronger and harder than ever. Trust me, 2019, put my word on it, this is gonna be our year. This is gonna be everybody's year. Trust me. You feel me? But yeah, so back to the video. But yeah, I've been gone for about 2 months and I had to get my stuff together, but now I am back and I'm ready to work. I'm ready to get good content. I'm ready to bring out some bangers, some new content, some great content, some different content that you guys have never seen on my channel before. So be ready for that, because I know you guys are gonna love it and I can't wait to put it out for you guys. And another thing is that I've seen a lot of people, before I even continue with this video, I just want to thank you for all the small YouTubers who hit me up and who have seen my last video when I was talking about life and how things were getting complicated and stuff like that. I want to thank you guys so much for all the positive feedback and all the positive advice that you guys have given me. You know, the small YouTube community, we gotta stay together, and I'm so, like, I was so touched by a lot of people that I have never even seen before yet, as of yet, when I made the video. And after that, it just shows so much how much this small YouTube community is, and I really appreciate every single one of you guys. And trust and believe, I followed and subscribed every single one of you guys and have been keeping up to this day. Like, I love you guys, I thank you guys, and I really appreciate all the advice that you guys have given me. Even my subscribers, back to you guys too. All of you guys who have given me advice and told me to keep my head up and gave me positivity, I thank you guys so much, because trust me, your girl was going through it. But like I said, I really appreciate you guys. It really motivated me every single day to keep my head up and get what I had to get done, and, you know, just get it together. So I really appreciate you guys so much. And another thing I wanted to address in this video before it ends, I'm probably not going to do too much editing in this video, mainly because I really want you guys to see this content, and I really want you guys to know that I am back. I'm coming back, baby. I'm back, baby. I'm back. Oh my god, it just feels so nice just to sit here and just record a video for you guys and just be so eager to post it. Like, I'm really excited. I'm really happy. Like, oh my god, like, I can't wait for you guys to see the new content, because I have been recording a little bit since I've gone on my break. I have been recording. I just have to edit all the stuff and, you know, put it out for you guys. But I'm really super excited for you guys to see it, and I really hope you guys love it. By the way, since it's now 2019, I just want to say this year is gonna be a year of hustling and grinding and being successful in whatever you want to accomplish. Anything that you want to put your mind to, that you want to put your mind and heart to, is something that you are dedicated with, something that you are passionate about. Make sure you go after it and make sure you achieve it. I can't stress this enough to you guys. If there's something that you want to do, if there's a career that you want to do, if there's like some something that is a hobby that you really want to pursue, or something that you want to even start your own in, make sure you guys do it. This is the year to create. This is the year to motivate, hustle, and work hard, okay? 2019 is going to be a great year for everybody. I hope that it is a great year for everybody, because I know how things can be when you want to, you know, start different things or branch out on different things. It can be hard at first. It can put you down. Yes, I learned that by starting this channel, and you know, all the stuff that I didn't know. But trust me, just keep your head up high and you will succeed. Trust me, it just takes a little time, so be patient. Another thing that I want to address to you guys is that I've seen a lot of comments in my old videos and stuff like that where you guys have asked me to do certain content and do certain like things that you guys have asked for, like as far as like hair and makeup and stuff. A lot of you guys have requested a few things that you guys wanted me to do, but trust me, I will be doing them. Just give me a little time. I want to give out all the good content and all the new content. I want to push that out first, and then I'm going to try to accommodate you guys. But trust me, there will be whatever video you guys want, whatever you guys requested, there will be a video. Trust and believe. And also, if there's any other content that you guys want and have not said it yet or have not requested it yet, please leave it in the comments below what you guys want as of the new, you know, whether it's hair, whether it's makeup, whether it's facial tutorials, or girl talks or whatever. Just leave it down in the comment section below, so I can make sure make sure that I make every single video that you guys want, because I really love you guys and I want you guys to get what y'all want. You know, you guys are like my babies. Like I need to give you everything you want. Just give me a little time, a little timmy time, because you know I'm just coming back. But trust me, there will be a video. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about this video. I really appreciate all the love and support that you guys have given me this as long as I had my YouTube career. Like, I've been on YouTube for a good year now, and you guys have shown me nothing but love and nothing but support, and I really appreciate you guys every single day in my life. I love every single one of you guys. Like, you guys have no idea. I thank you from the bottom of my heart for every advice, every positive feedback, every positive energy, every positive comment, everything, anything positive that you guys have ever given me. I love it, and I appreciate it so much. Even when I was going through the hard time with, you know, getting my life situated, I thank you for still sticking by me. For those of you guys who are still sticking by me to this day, I thank you so much for sticking by me and just supporting me and just liking me for me, and just, you know, becoming a part of the Supreme team. Like, I really appreciate you guys. I know I tell you guys this every single video, but you know, I just want to always let you guys know how much I love you. Like, I just want to always let you guys know how much I love you. So yeah, now that we're done with talking about everything that is happening, everything that's about to be new, let's talk about this new intro, okay? So I don't know if you guys noticed, but at the beginning of the video there's a new intro, and I really worked hard on it, and I did not do it all by myself. So I'm going to leave the link to the person's name of who helped me with the intro, because I used like their templates or whatever. So I'm going to always have it linked in my description box, so make sure you check them out if you're a YouTuber and want to have an intro. But yeah, let me know down in the comments what you guys think about that, because I think that the intro is fire, like fire, honey. Like, oh, it's looking like everything. So let me know in the comments what you guys think, okay? And without further ado, Supreme_Queen 101, she's back, and she's better than ever. She's back, honey, she's back. Let me stop. But yeah, that concludes my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment and subscribe down below to my channel at Supreme_Queen 101. And also make sure you guys keep in touch with me on all of my social media, just so you guys know when I post or when I need to make an announcement or stuff like that. So make sure you keep up with all my social media. They will be in the description box below. And without further ado, see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.